How to make a backup and recover WhatsApp messages in 2022. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a backup and recover WhatsApp messages in 2022. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to open up the WhatsApp application in our mobile devices. Afterwards, we are going to go and tap or click on the right side above screen where we are going to go into the settings. Afterwards, we are going to go into the chats where we'll scroll down till the very last. In the second last option where it is written chat backup, we will go there. After going there, we'll hit on the backup button and in no time the backup would start. Eventually it is writing backup messages, please wait a moment, and some percentage is being given, so it will take time till it is 100%. So here I see my chat is being backed up by Google Drive. If we don't add our Google account into it, it would not be there. So this is how you do it. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the video.